As we step into the new season of fall, I've been inspired to get creative with fall-inspired designs for coffee, matcha, and pumpkin spice lattes. But I never had a pumpkin spice latte before. So today, I'm trying something new. I'm starting with simple natural ingredients, pumpkin puree, pumpkin spice, and of course, coffee. I'm even going to make my own whipped cream from scratch. If you're interested in the full recipe, you'll find it in the description below. Trying new things has always intrigued me, especially with foods I never liked or bothered to even try. Like when I first tried apple pie, I didn't like it and I thought I would never have it again. But I decided to make it from scratch for my husband and I ended up loving it. And that's what inspired me to try making a pumpkin spice latte myself. I wanted to see if I made it myself, I like it myself. Trying new things can be intimidating because we're afraid of wasting time or effort. We live in a microwave society, always seeking instant results. But sometimes, waiting on God's timing and doing things His way is far sweeter than anything quick and convenient.
You're kidding. In Jesus' name.
Yo, praying over the tools you use, whether in cooking, creating, or any task, invites God into your work and turns those actions into acts of worship. It's so powerful. And I never realized how easy it is to make your own whipped cream. Back in my early 20s, I would go through 2 or more cans a week of whipped cream. I learned that store-bought whipped cream isn't the healthiest choice. It's a reminder that we often expect things to be handed to us without putting in the effort ourselves. God has already given us the tools and guidance we need, but we often overlook the beauty of using what He's provided. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and do not lean on your own understanding. Like making this latte, when you trust the process and honor God with what you do, the outcome is always sweeter and richer. Oh, sometimes the journey of creating something yourself with God is far more fulfilling than having it handed to you by the world. For example, I tried the pumpkin spice latte from a popular spot. You know, the one with the green and white logo. Honestly, I was disappointed. Ugh. It was way too sweet, missing the balance and depth of what I made at home. With the Lord's guidance, of course. So remember, the outcome is always richer when you trust God, use what He's provided, and savor the journey.
You know what this reminds me of? It just...
One drop or two. Would you like another one? Oh, there you go.